Okay, with this one we've got a set of data over here which has individual items and then how many units are available in different sizes. So, sorry, if we go back, supplier code, item code, wholesale cost, and so stock on hand in our Carlton store, and then if we go across, stock on hand in Kensington store, and so it just repeats. Stock on hand in terms of units, and then stock on hand in size 6. So there's 55 units of the fringe sweat dress in size 6, 99 in size 8, etc. Now to start off with, I've named a few cells. So off is this cell here, the item description. That's the offset position or the starting position. Then I've also named table, which is the list of garments available. So I've got off and I've got table. And all we want to do is pull this information and place it into here. So in this case, stock on hand cost in dollars, which is that one. So for the Carlton store, we go equals offset as the function. The reference point is off, comma. Now we want the row number that the garment appears in. And so for this, we're going to do a match function, and we're going to look up the hanky hem dress, comma, the lookup array we called table. So it's going to look for this dress in that table that we mentioned. Then comma 0 because we want an exact match, comma. Then we need the column number. So remember we said the column number, if we go back, is column 6. So if that's column 1, if that's the offset position, that's column 1, column 2, column 3, etc. Now we could just type in column 6, close brackets, and we get the right answer for 59 for the hanky hemi dress, that one there. There it is, it's coming from there. Now that works fine except for, and we can lock the C4, that will lock it. The only problem is we can't drag down or across. So what I've done is I've placed numbers up here to represent the column number and also down here. So we said Carlton is in column number 6. Kensington is in column 14. So if I go back and have a look at Kensington, you'll notice it's column 14. And so what you do here, oops, so I'm going to replace the 6 with this cell, and I'm going to lock the E. Oh no, you won't have to lock anything. If I drag it, and then I should be able to drag it down like that. So if I change the garment, they will change automatically. These other ones, wholesale costs, are simply VLOOKUPs. Just pause it to see what I've done there. And same with first margin, and retail price is simply wholesale minus the margin for that one. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky, but by and large the rest is exactly the same except for you're using a different row, different column number for those ones.